We have a A.O. Smith tankless water heater here. We're going to be doing an acid wash today. I have the bucket set up with the pump. Basically, we're going to put our acid choice in here, which is going to be concentrated vinegar. We're going to shut this valve off here, this valve off here, put our vinegar through, comes up through the coils, and then back out. And you let that go for up to a half hour. Tankless water heaters are great water heaters. They'll never run out of hot water if they're sized properly, but they do require maintenance, and this is what we're doing right now. We have about 10 minutes more to go on the acid wash. These units are fairly new, so they're not awfully dirty, but it's still important to do the upkeep on these because when they do go start getting scaled up, they really get scaled up. So the bucket, so you could see what's going on, but if you look at the bottom of this bucket, all that black stuff was not there before the wash, so that's what we were able to remove out of the system. And then some more got washed down, obviously, but this is the big clumps. All right, so the acid wash is done. I'm just doing a system flush just with clean water, and we're getting all that scale back. Get the rest of the acid and all that junk out of there. Do this a couple times. We're running nice and clear now, but you're still getting a little bit of that scale at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but down there. So all that scale coming out. I keep cleaning the bucket, and there's always scale coming out. So I just want to flush it out good. The water is coming out clear now. It's coming out crystal clear, and we have no more of that scale at the bottom. Good. We're going to move on to the second one. And see how that one goes. This is clear. As good as it's gonna get. It's perfect. Second one all set up. Same idea. Acid in, goes through the coil, comes out, and we'll see what we catch. But everything's bypassed, and we're gonna give this another few minutes here. The second one actually had a bunch of junk in it. A lot more than the first one. So it's good that we clean that out. I just dumped out a lot of it too. But yeah, job done. On our second unit, so we're going to leave this one off. So you should put this cap on so you don't have any accidents. This one's going to be on, and we're going to get some pressure in here and wash it with some clean water. See that black stuff? All that scale coming right out. Do this a few times so you can just see how dirty that water is. Alright, let's take this out, rinse it again. Still coming out a little bit dirty, and there's still some sediments coming out. You can see some pieces at the bottom, but it's starting to clean up. One more and we should be good. Much better. Crystal clear, ready to go. That's what we want to see. Cloud settle for a second. Oh yeah, that's crystal clear. That's perfect. All right, 2 units acid washed. We did the first one here, second one here, and we're good to go. Just gonna wrap it up.